Welcome back to San Antonio Living. You know, we all want to look our best, and there's a place right here in town that has tons of options for us. Joining me today is Dr. Barrera, and Natalie's also joining us. Thank you both for joining us.
Great. Thank you, Denise.
I'm excited to talk to you, Doctor, because at your practice at Texas Facial Plastic Surgery, you have tons of things going on over there that can help us look our best. When we look in the mirror and you see those spots, you kind of need a touch-up. That's where we can come to you and you can help us out.
That's correct. I mean, Denise, thanks for having us, first of all. We have lots of options. You know, we specialize in facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. So it's really a specialty whereby we treat patients with aging face concerns. We also treat folks who can't breathe through their nose or they have a bump on their nose. But really what's exciting is that today we have so many great options to treat aging face. Of course, the traditional facelift helps with the jowls and the fullness, the turkey neck. But now we have a FDA-approved medicine that allows us to dissolve fat instantly in the neck.
Instantly. That's a nice word that you hear, but I like how you described it, because not only do the things that you offer at your practice help those of us to deal with the signs of aging, but for example, I broke my nose when I was in middle school.
Yeah.
I could go to you and you would help me get through that and restore my nose to help me breathe, even just things like that. So you help people across the spectrum.
That's correct. We balance really. We want to balance harmony, so we want aesthetic results. We want also functional results. So we want a real good balance. That's why our motto is to feel rested and look refreshed.
I love that motto. And Natalie's joining us because you're going to actually show us one of your treatments here, which is the Kybella. So describe it a little bit.
Yeah, Kybella is a new FDA-approved drug. It's not animal-based. It's not human-based. It's actually genetically engineered. And so it's deoxycholic acid, and we produce deoxycholic acid from our pancreas to dissolve fat. That's exactly what Kybella does. So once I inject the Kybella, Natalie will feel that the Kybella is going to begin to dissolve the fat instantly. So she'll get a result. Once the fat is dissolved, it's dissolved. So it's wonderful that way.
And this is that chin area, that turkey neck you were talking about, or the double chin that you might face.
Double chin.
Natalie, by the way, you're beautiful.
She
but
is.
Thank
She's
you
gorgeous.
for being our patient. So we're going to get a demonstration, right?
Correct.
All right,
Yeah.
Natalie, are you ready? Yeah. She's ready. Okay,
Perfect.
Dr. Jose, take it away.
Great, thank you. So thank you again, Natalie, for doing this with us. So the wonderful thing about Kybella is that it's something that can be done in the clinic. We do some topical numbing medicine. You saw the segment a little bit earlier where we numbed up Natalie's neck. Now, Kybella is something that can be scheduled weekly in our clinic, and so it takes about 30 minutes. And as you can see here, Natalie has a beautiful neck, but this little area here, you know, the Latinos call it a papada. You know, we call it just a little bit of double chin. That little bit of fat can be reduced. And so all we're going to do here is we're going to do a little injection right in this area and bring your neck down, Natalie, just a little bit. And you can see these small little dots. And so we're going to come in here and we're just going to do a little injection there. And each of these little dots get a little injection. And so what's beautiful about this, Natalie, do you feel that at all?
No.
Great.
Yeah, I mean,
awesome.
She's not even reacting.
She's not flinching at all.
Wow.
So she's doing beautifully. There's really no blood loss. And the beautiful thing about this is that the fat begins to dissolve instantly. And so she'll feel that there's fat being dissolved right away. You can see there's no blood loss. We're going to do a little bit more. And so we're going to give her a full treatment here.
Natalie, you're getting a full treatment. You're getting hooked up today by Dr. Jose. I might be next. How about that? But that looks fantastic.
Isn't that great?
I mean, Natalie, you're gorgeous to begin with, but if you want those improvements, if you're looking in the mirror and you see areas that you want a little bit improvement, this is a great procedure. It seems so simple and painless.
That's right. And so just doing this, we complete a full treatment for Natalie.
Wow.
And how do you feel, sweetie?
Fine.
She
said fine. Fine, no pain.
Yeah, that's right.
That's great. And this is something that someone can just come into your office, and it seems pretty quick as well.
It's pretty quick. Now, Natalie is a champ. We've done one other treatment on her, but the results, you begin to see them right away. So you see them starting today, you'll see them really to the end of next week, and so you'll get a great result that way.
And no downtime after this?
No downtime. She can continue. She can go back to work. This is the lunchtime fat removal.
Lunchtime fat removal. I love that. Thank you so much, and thank you, Natalie, for joining us.